Hi guys, I think you remember this video. This is my game now. Look at how much changed. Look at the terrain. It looks way better. Um, yeah. So this is Humanime, but I think I'll change that name. It's kind of bad. Doesn't make sense. I was thinking of Earthbound, but then I realized that there was a game called Earthbound, so can't use that name. Um, if you have a name for it, it's in the comments. Put it in the comments. I mean. Yeah, so as you can see, we have two types of trees. This is the European beech tree and English oak. And you're probably wondering, how did they look so good? Like, look at this. Every tree is random. It's just amazing. We even have a chunk system. This took me so long to do. You won't even imagine the suffering that I went through. I did this with AI and myself. Most of the chunk system was AI, but like half of the trees or less, like just a little bit less, was me. The tree module has 500 lines of code, if you understand what that means. Um, yeah, that's crazy. So, yeah, I'm using fractal permanent noise for the chunks, but there's a little problem. The chunks look a little bit weird here. Look, there's a like seam here. The textures don't combine. I don't know if that's a shading issue. I sound weird just because I'm a little bit sick. Yeah. So this is European beach. Let me make myself really fast. Yeah, so the chunk system's not very optimized yet, as you can see, because AI is pissing me off. But I mean, it works. It works. Nothing's crashing right now, because I think something's happening. Wait, no, nothing's happening. Any errors? There's no errors. No, there's no errors. And as you can see, when I get out of a chunk and come back in, the same tree is there. You don't know how happy I was yesterday when I did this. It's called tree seeding. I was so happy. I literally cried, bro. I don't know why, but the trees are not spawning in now. What? Why are the trees not spawning in? Oh, yeah, because I did that above Y level, below Y level 0, they don't spawn. That's so cool, by the way. Because this is meant to be sea level. So if I keep going, yeah, now the trees spawn in. That's so cool. And on average, there's 4 trees per chunk. That's what I did because of lag. As you can see, I think that's because of my recording software. It's a little bit laggy because my computer's kind of trash. Yeah, so the higher I go up, look at this, bro. Well, there's not more trees the higher I go up. I didn't want to do that yet. Just look at it, bro. You understand? It's like the game is not even close to being done. I made another character that actually has a mouth. It has eyes, everything, bro. I made 2 characters. The first one, my friends were telling me get rid of it. Now this one is better. I feel like I'll use it. It takes me hours. I'm just talking like it's easy, but it takes hours to just do the simple things like that. Well, it's not really simple. I don't know why. I'm not. It's not simple. Okay, now the noise is taking us downwards. If you understand what that means. Wait, what? Why is the chunk not loading? I think it's just lag. Wait. Yeah, there's no lag, there's no problem. But as you can see, if I just keep going straight as fast as I can, yeah, I fall off. So the chunk system is not very fast. Uh, it's not really a big problem, but if you are like, if I add something like make characters go very fast, that's a big problem because it will look bad. And the reason why I can't do it faster is because Roblox editable mesh system like it can't the editable mesh system can't support like large amounts of triangulation. Just search it up. Like that basically means that it can only use like 4 MB of memory or something like that. I don't know. So if I use too much, the client crashes, and because Roblox is so bad, um, I can't do it on the server side. So I have to only the clients can render their terrain, which is really bad. Um, Roblox has to add. I swear they have to add. What is it called? Like editable mesh on the server side, because if they don't, it's really bad. I mean, if there's a way to do it, you can comment down. That would be really helpful. Really helpful. Soon things will come to this game. As you can see, like the trees, I think they just need one finishing touch. Like, at the end, there's no like, sharp end. Look, it just shows the inside of the log, which is bad. Players will be able to use these trees for like, using for fire, building. You understand? So, tools, everything, basically. Each tree will have its own like different properties. Well, I mean, there's not really a big difference from oak and beech. I mean, other than their heights. I don't know. Yeah, so right now you can only see like large trees. Is because I've only done like look at the wind, bro. Like it's so good. Look at that. You don't know, guys. You don't know how much suffering went through. Yeah, so only right now there's only big logs. I haven't done smaller logs. It's fairly easy to do. My tree module is 500 lines of code because I didn't want to be lazy and only do that. Wait, bro, I can't even speak, bro. Like I didn't want to like paste 100 lines of code for each tree. Instead, it's just one line of code to generate a tree because I did this, and my non-laziness paid off because now I have this, which is very good. I'm very happy. Yeah, trees use something called recursion. Uh, yeah, I don't know if you want to hear me talk about this, but I mean, I don't know if I should share how my game's made because I did so much work. Like, I don't want anyone copying me. But I mean, I guess you can find out for yourself. That's the worst thing to hear. Yeah, so as you can see, the terrain only has one texture. It's just grass. It doesn't even have a texture, it's just material. Yeah, so I can even make mountains and stuff like that, but I can't be bothered to show you. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned as my survival game is getting better and better only. It's not getting worse. Thank you for watching.